Hello and welcome back. My name is Mina Sabzian. I am a graphic designer. Today we want to learn how we can use blend mode and shape builder tool in Illustrator. We are going here and opening the Illustrator here. It's up to you to use pencil tool or pen tool. Which one is easier, you can choose that. I am going to choose the pencil tool. You have to take care that fill should be none, but we have to have a stroke, but a little bit thinner. I'm going to draw something like this. Then I'm going to choose both of them and hit the hotkey of Ctrl Alt B, the shortcut of blend mode. So I'm going to fix this anchor point together. Just double click to do it separately. I'm going to zoom a little bit to see better. We can fix the anchor point here. Now I'm going to select all of them and I'm double clicking on the blend tool here. I'm going to specify steps. Here I'm giving, for example, 15 to see preview of that, or maybe we can increase to 20 to have a preview. Okay. A little bit increasing the size. Then I'm going to change the shape of this stroke profile here. Now you can see that we are having the very beautiful shape here. I'm going to a little bit decrease the size of it. Now I want to expand this shape and make something like flower, which I can use for a background. For this matter, I'm not able to go to expand appearance. I have a video for expand appearance. If you want, you can watch it. But in this case, we have to go to object, blending, and here expand. But before that is better, I have to make a copy of it here and one more here. I think this one I'm going to object, blend and expand. Then with the help of Alt key, I'm going to rotate it. This one also, I think I should make another copy of it. This one I'm going to object, blend, release, because I need some line from this shape. I want to cut it. For example, something like this. I'm going to use the shape builder here. With the help of Alt key, I'm going to delete this part. See what is happening here. This part also, and I'm taking this part, bringing here, maybe here. Now we are going here to use pencil tool. I'm drawing something here. I'm using with mouse. Selecting both of them, Control Alt B. Remember the last step. Bringing a copy of it, going to Object, Blend. I think I made it Release. It should be Release. And on Group, I want to take one of these slices here. Because I want to cut from here. Put this line here from this shape because we want to cut it out, and now I want to cut from this side also. I'm going and selecting this object, going to Object and going to Blending Mode and Release, because I want to use one of these line from here. Is okay. Then I'm with the help of Shift key, I'm selecting. Sometimes this Illustrator is making so much problem. Now taking out them, the help of Shape Builder, holding down the Alt key, cutting from here and cutting from here. Oops, we forgot to expand this shape. Blending mode and expand. Then after expanding, we have to remember it always. With the help of Shift key, select this line and this line also. Can bring it out to be more. Hold on the Alt key, cut this part very carefully, and this part, and then both. Can bring it down. As you have seen that we made this flower here and we made a group of it. Now we can go and draw the below part here. Again, you can use the it's better to go to make another layer here. Select pencil tool. Then, with the help of width tool, we can make some shape for it. Again, with the help of pencil tool, we can make leaves for that. With Wacom tablet, it's very more easier to draw. Select both of them. It's remember the last to blend them is selecting both of them and Control Alt B here again. It's remember by itself, but I'm going to make it a little bit smaller. Changing the position and vertical. Here. Again, I'm going to select all of them and make a group of them. Bringing this side. Making bigger a little. You can decrease the opacity here. If you want to look like this as a background of your wallpaper, or if you want to use it as a postcard, card postal, and write something here. Line space a little bit. As you can see that you made one very beautiful card postal or card as you like, and you wrote something here, but it's again up to you to make this how much you want to be visible or invisible to look more beautiful here. I wish that this lesson helped you to understand how we can make the line and how we can use the blend mode. And when we are using the blend mode here, we are not able to go to expand appearance and do to make it editable, so we have to go to object and blend mode, and we are using in blend mode expand. Or if we want to use a line separately, we have to go again to blend mode and use the release. Then we can release the line and we can ungroup them and use them separately. And I wish that you learn this technique and you are going to use it in your work. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe the channel and hit the bell button to be informed always. And see you in next time. Bye.